So we want to go over a little bit of information about how we add users to any of the courses, no matter from where they come. So everybody begins as a user by starting in the catalog. So in a catalog, people can sign up for either an entire program or they can sign up for individual courses. In the process, Canvas will accept their email address, their name, their contact information, and send a confirming email to them for them to go ahead and complete their registration. At that point, they're a user in Canvas, and if they enrolled in a course, they're also enrolled in that class by clicking that confirmation email they receive. So teachers get added the same way, students get added the same way, and even admins we can have start the same way by coming through the catalog first. So the way that looks is if we were signing up for an individual course, for example, like say a trainer boot camp, we can click on the course, and I'm already enrolled in this course, but if you're a new user in here, you'd click on the course and have it added to your shopping cart. And then if there's a promo code, you can add a promo code to it and pay zero cost or whatever percentage cost it is discounted, and then you check out of the box. Once you're done out of your shopping cart, that email is sent automatically to your inbox. You just go there to confirm it, and now you're in the course, and now you're added as a user.